Transform the pull-up suitcase to your mobile closet in just a few steps. The pull-up is a handy tool to help you organize any chaos. It enables you to systematically pack your clothes and personal items in separate compartments, which is the best way to guarantee that your trip is perfectly organized and your bags are arranged neatly before you head off on your journey. Our bags of all kinds and sizes help us fulfill your individual storage-related wishes. With the pull-up, you can store your belongings safely and neatly, and you won't have to waste any more time desperately trying to keep your suitcase organized. The pull-up handles this all by itself. With the pull-up, you don't have to leave your home behind, you can just take it with you. Thanks to the extra-wide telescopic handle, moving the suitcase becomes simple and effortless. The high-quality wheels assure an easy and flexible movement of the pull-up suitcase. The pull-up is a haven of calmness in stressful situations. It can also easily be used as a mini desk, and the exterior compartment serves as a quick and convenient way of storage for personal items. Enjoy a pleasant and simple way of traveling. The grab handle allows you to lift the suitcase without difficulty.
The world's smartest and truly wireless earphones with voice translation. The Click. A completely signatory product to connect with the wearer on an intimate level to infuse desire. The Click is an incredible piece of audio technology. Creating the hardware and the software together, we implemented oral notification to receive all notifications from your phone straight to your ears. We also implemented the first vocal translation in the history of true wireless earphones. This is one of the most remarkable achievements in the Click earphone yet. It features an incredible battery life, a touch sensor, an undefined high audio quality with aptX codec, and wireless charging. We also invented a beautiful wireless charging case, which can also charge your smartphone for greater flexibility. Stunning custom-fit, translucent silicone tips to fit comfortably in any size ear. The Click delivers a crystal clear audio quality with noise cancellation. Stunning unlimited homogeneous LED light, which can be personalized to activities that arrive on your smartphone. We believe the Click is a revolution for your ears.
This is the Pathfinder, the most comfortable sneaker for travelers ever made. Extremely light with a sleek design. In time, you'll come to realize that they are also super durable, breathable, and impeccably crafted, so you can enjoy them for years to come. Why is the Pathfinder the perfect sneaker for travelers? First, its innovative upper. After hours of walking or running around the city, you'll love that the knit of the Pathfinder makes them super breathable and form-fittingly flexible. The upper is also moisture-wicking, water-resistant, and quick-drying, because you can never know when the weather will change on you. Made with 10 recycled plastic bottles, they are also our most sustainable and eco-friendly to date. Second, the sole. The sole is made of EVA, this planet's strongest and lightest material, so your feet will never get tired. When you're traveling, you'll appreciate that we have upgraded them to be 2 times lighter than any other sneakers on the market. They are ultra cushioned and impact resistant, but that's not all. We've added an ergonomic insole, which grips the foot firmly and adds a next level of comfort. The Pathfinder's rubber grip has ridges designed to mimic fingerprints, making them anti-slip no matter the conditions. Guaranteeing optimal comfort whether you're exercising, riding a scooter, running to catch the bus, or just enjoying the city and great outdoors with friends. We've also thought about how to pack them. The Pathfinder can be packed conveniently like a sandwich for easy travel without losing their shape. We are Mymanu. We have sold more than 280,000 pairs of sneakers since our founding in 2013. We make 100% animal-free products and are a PETA-approved company.
Make your nap more fun with the NAPFUN Travel Pillow. This flight pillow can provide perfect support to protect the neck when you are sitting in the airplane, car, train, or anywhere else. Unlike round back, the flat back will make your head and neck more stable. This design was developed according to feedback from customers around the world. The NAPFUN Travel Pillow is covered with a double-layered cloth. The headrest pillow was designed for portability and comfort. The striped sleeping mask we provide will give your eyes a real soft feeling. And the 3D sleep mask will cover all light. This NAPFUN pillow is a real neck pillow for any travel. Adults, kids, or everyone will love it, and you can't live without it on all of your travels.
The Insta360 ONE X is a new kind of camera. It shoots every moment from every angle in stunning 5.7K and 18 megapixels. Flow state stabilization is impossibly smooth. A 6-axis gyro means you don't need any gear. Just mount the ONE X anywhere, and your footage comes out like butter. Attach our purpose-built selfie stick, and it disappears from your shot automatically. Once it's gone, you've got a flying camera. This is Time Shift. Effortlessly control time and perspective. With stabilized 360, there are no limits. Mark off the best parts of your shot in any direction. The ONE X connects them with ultra-smooth camera movements. Smart Track lets you follow any subject and keep it steady in center frame. Bullet time puts you in the heart of the action. It's epic and easy. Suit up with the drifter case, then go airborne and capture impossible angles. The ONE X is a new way to shoot. Time and perspective are both yours to shape. Don't just capture the moment, own it.